Hi, I'm Dame Lillian Walker, and today I want to talk to you about what it is that you need to do and prepare before you actually speak to either the newsroom editor of a television news program or the producer of a television show where you want to be considered for them to bring you as an expert in your industry to get your message out to the market. And the bottom line is this: I want you to think of a girl's skirt. Your pitch needs to be long enough to cover the subject, but short enough to create intrigue. And I'm going to say that again. You want it long enough to cover the subject, but short enough to create intrigue. When you get that person, if you're successful in actually getting a live person who is the decision maker, who's going to decide, okay, based on what we have lined up now, what we have coming up, this person would be qualified to bring on to our show. And of course, you have to have certain things already in play before you get on the phone that you do that. But the bottom line is this: communication is essential. Lack of communication, lack of clear communication leads to frustration. So please keep it long enough to cover the subject, but short enough to create intrigue. 60 seconds, that's all you have, is 60 seconds flat. Otherwise, you're going to get cut off. So make sure you rehearse it. I would encourage you to record yourself, voice recorder or a video, and do it over and over and over again till you can get your 3 key points that you want to convey to them in less than 60 seconds. Once you've distilled and purified your message down to less than 60 seconds, now you have a shot to make it onto network TV. So that's my tip for today. Please like and subscribe my video. Please do share it, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. And yes, go to my website for more information, where we continue to give loads and loads of information, because as a content rights owner, aggregator for a TV network, we are always looking for quality content to air on network TV. Thank you.